everybody. So my name is Alice Emmy. Yes, welcome to this channel. It's all about lifestyle, it's all about a story time, it's all about beauty, it is all about us living alone vlogs, yeah, cooking, yeah. You're so much welcome. And if you're new here, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell such that you won't miss out any videos. So guys, you guys know that I don't normally do nails, and not because I want, because just because that I'm not used to doing nails. Yes, but I normally prefer putting henna or putting this that normally take longer. Now the last video I made about henna, I personally did that video, but to my surprise, the way this thing is going off is so irritating. I mean, first of all, the henna was black and then it turned to brown as the more I was getting into water. You see that? You guys that watched that video are able to see that. Number two, and let me show you guys my legs. You can't dare want to see. There they are. Like, they look funny. If you're able to see that, I don't know if you're able to see that. Yeah, so that is it. So I want to put I'm not going to use henna because it somehow disappointed me. So because I mean it was black and then it turned brown. Who does that? Like henna, like seriously? Anyway, so I'm going to use this is dye. However, I used this one and it stayed long. I never had it. A friend of mine gave me kidogo that I put on the hands and on the legs. So first of all, it is powdered and you have to mix it. So the way it comes, it has all this. It comes in a box. This is how it comes. They normally use it for the hair and mix and then put on to turn your hair black. But I've never used it on my hair. I haven't really used it on my hair. So I just bought it for the nails, and once I'm done with this, I'll have to put the colorless just to make my nails look good. Yeah, so guys, I want to take you throughout this. Yeah, hopefully we hope for the best. First of all, we are going to mix it, and I want to start with my legs. So I don't know if that would be possible. You know, I normally find, because I'm shooting myself, I really find issues starting with my legs. How to hold the camera. I put a lot. Shit. I'd rather put a little, and then I add. Yeah. So here it is. That is why I put on black, just to make sure that my clothes. So it is here, and then I'm going to add water. Oh my god, put a lot of water as well. Shit. Kai, oh my god, no. Let me add some more of this, because I want it to be thick. I'm going to add some more powder, guys. I hope I'm not messing you guys up. I hope I'm not messing you guys up. Otherwise, shit. So we will have to leave it for some minutes. Dogo. We will have to leave it for some minutes, and then after we'll start to use it. So let's leave it for a few minutes. So guys, we are now going to start applying the henna on the legs, and I just want to show you how I do it, both on the legs and on the hands. So I won't be speaking, but you know, you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. Let's get to the start of this video. We can't wait for the outcome. on putting the dye or inner, not inner, this is dye, yeah, for my nails. So let me give it time to get dry, and you guys got to see the outcome. Now let me tell you one thing. If you put a lot, like for me I put a lot of it, it will take time to dry. So make sure you don't put a lot of it, yeah, because if you put a lot of it, it will really take time to dry. You can see on my hands, it has already gotten stuck on my hands, and here. Hi guys, yeah, so they have dried up. I think you guys are able to see, and if I try to remove, if I even try to remove, I think you can see that they are really dry. If I even try to remove this one, yeah. So I'm going to remove all of them just to make sure, and then afterwards I will have to wash my hands. Just to make sure that they are looking okay. And this video, I don't want it to be long, so I wanted to apply nail polish, but that will be in the next video. So let me do the final cleaning, and then I show you how it is. So I'm done with my nails, and this is the final outcome. So I think I recommend this other than the henna, because the henna is not as strong as this one. Yeah, tell me if you enjoyed this video. So wanted to apply but I think that will be in the next video. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in another video.